after 2 years uvalele endlini ubukana nodonga nabantu basekhaya bamela eqaleni kumnandi just to be with abanye abantu ngaphandle and watch sport that brings everybody together, so it's quite enjoyable. Yeah.
Abanye abalandeli bama-Sharks babeke kanje ngalesikhathi bebuka leli qembu libulala ama-Dragons ngesibhaxo sika 51-3 eHollywood Bets Kings Park Stadium in a morale boosting performance ngolesihlanu ebusuku kwi-United Rugby Championship. Ama-Sharks ayibonakalisile ukuthi awobani after a disappointing result ngalesikhathi bedlala ne-Edinburgh the last time out njengoba bekwazile ukushaya ama-tries awu-6 on Friday. Kevin Bosch also had a point to prove naye nama-conversions awu-4 as well as ama-penalty awu-3.
I love Kevin. I think he's fantastic. So I think he is our best number 10. But, you know, time will tell whether or not he is, you know.
The Sharks are doing way better than last week. Kicks are better and we're performing way better.
Hey, Cohen's actually doing something this weekend.
Silethe incomo la mfethu hayi impela hayi namhlanje amashayisa ashintshile bro wami hayi
fana ngokudlule basiphoxa kakhulu namhlanje siyabona
uneme ngisho thina uqobo mfethu
sengishiya ikipa nje
phambili wafethu
phambili ngoshaka phambili
amen.
Hey, I won't lie, the Sharks are performing well today. A lot of kicking though. I wish the game could flow a lot more. And what do you think?
I think it's a lot better from what we've been seeing recently. There's still a lot we need to do. I believe we are a better team because of all the Springboks we have in our squad. I believe that there's potential to do better.
Ama-Sharks azotholana phezulu nama-Griquas on Wednesday kwi-Currie Cup before meeting the Lions in a highly anticipated local derby ngomgqibelo kwi-United Rugby Championship. Abalandeli bathi bayakujabulela ukubona the favourites Springbok players like Abuyise bedlala la eKings Park njengoba sebevumelekile nje ukungena einkundleni zemidlalo.
That's quite great. I thought we would go to some other Western club, but it's nice to know ukuthi uzelakuthini kuma-Sharks and we officially welcome him as part of Durban.